Today's lecture we are learning the new concept Unix operating system. I told you earlier in previous lectures Unix Linux operating system and what is the use of the operating system? Is it necessary to install in our PCs operating system? I said in previous lectures. Today's lecture we are learning the concepts and under the categorized the operating system types of operating system, Linux operating system, Unix operating system and Windows operating system. I said in previous lectures in Linux operating system. Now in this lecture we are learning the topic is Unix and Windows operating system. Here the Unix operating system is nothing but it is an interface between the user and the hardware components of the system. Means same just like the Linux operating system, this Unix operating system is also interface between the user commands and the hardware components. And it is called as a multitasking and multi-user operating system. Means multitasking. I said in previous lectures, multitasking, multi-programming, and multi-processing. Multitasking means multiple tasks simultaneously performing multiple tasks performing multiple users. Okay, at a time. Means it is called as a multitasking and a multi-user operating system. In this Unix operating system, multiple tasks are performing multiple users at a time. It is developed at AT&T Labs in 1970s and by T. Thomson, Dennis Ritchie and many others. It is classified into two types. Mainly the Unix operating system is classified at the same time the Unix operating system is also open source open system and the Linux operating system open source system. Here it is classified into two types. One is CUI and second one is GUI. CUI means character user interface. Examples MS-DOS and Unix. Microsoft Disk operating system and Unix operating system. GUI graphical user interface. Example Windows and Linux. Unix is an open system. And what about the Windows operating system? Here it is a GUI operating system. Windows is a GUI operating system. It is first developed by Microsoft in 1985. Latest version of Windows is Windows 10 and mainly this Windows operating system used by 80% of the personal computers and laptops globally 80% of the people are using the Windows operating system. 80 or 88% of the people are using this Windows operating system. Here this Windows operating system is a open source software or open source operating system. We are installing free of cost. We are not paying any cost, any amount to the applications. We are downloading this some set of applications free of cost in a Windows operating system, Linux operating system and in this Unix operating system. I hope you understand this lecture, Unix operating system and Windows operating system.